Blockchain is a distributed digital ledger. A ledger equals a record book of transactions. Digital equals stored on computers. Distributed equals copied across many computers worldwide. Instead of one company controlling the data, thousands of computers, called nodes, share the same copy. What is a block? A block contains transaction data, who sent what to whom, timestamp, date and time, hash, a unique digital fingerprint, previous block's hash. Each block connects to the previous block using its hash. This creates a secure chain. That's why it's called block plus chain equals blockchain. What is a hash? A hash is a unique code generated from data. If even one small detail changes, the hash changes complete. Example, hello to XZY123, hello to ABC 789. Small change equals completely different hash. This makes blockchain very secure. Why is blockchain secure? If a hacker tries to change one block, the hash changes, the chain breaks, the network detects it. Other computers reject the fake version. To successfully hack blockchain, someone would need to control more than 50% of the network, called a 51% attack. That is extremely difficult in large networks. What is decentralization? Traditional banking system. You to bank to receiver. Bank controls everything. Blockchain system. You to network to receiver. No central authority. That's called decentralization. Blockchain became famous because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin uses blockchain to record transactions, prevent double spending, work without banks. Blockchain is not just about crypto. It may change banking, healthcare, voting, and even the internet itself.